Hello, I'm Brendan and this is Jaden, and we are starting a YouTube channel. And our first video will be about building an outdoor patio bench. And the tools you will need for this bench will be, you can use a miter saw to cut the boards, or if you don't have that option at home, you can use just a regular old skill saw. And then you will need an impact, a measuring tape, a speed square, pencil, and some
2.5-inch GRK screws. I would recommend GRK screws because I've had some better experiences with them. Patio bench, you will need 9 boards at 72 inches, 13 at 25.5, and 2 at 28.5.
Alright, so all our boards are measured and are ready to be cut on the miter saw. And Jaden over here is just doing a couple more measurements on the last few boards. And then after that, we'll be cutting them up on the miter saw and be putting them together. Alright, so now we've got everything cut up, and now it's time to assemble the thing. So let's get on with that. Alright, so 2 long ones on each side are the 72 inches, and the ones in the middle are the 25.5s. So you're going to need 2 of the 6 footers and then 5 of the 25.5, and you're going to put them all like this. Okay. So we're using our 2.5-inch screws with the T25 bit. And we're going to put 2 screws in each side of the 2x4. It doesn't work.
You need a big one.
Yeah,
That one's better.
Jaden's just getting the... Alright, so now we got step 1 down, and this will be the base of the bench. And now we'll be on to step 2. So sit back and enjoy that. Alright, so for the armrests, you're gonna mark two 25.5-inch boards at 10. You're gonna mark it 10 inches from the bottom up, and then you're gonna take two more 25.5s, and you're gonna put them above the marks on each side. And then you're gonna take one of the 28.5 inches, and that will be your armrest. And then we're gonna screw that all together, and then we'll show you how to put it on. All right, so we got both sides done, and we're gonna be putting them on. And to fasten them onto the base, we used 4.5-inch screws and put them all the way through the 2x4s, and we put 2 on each bottom and top, or top and bottom. And if you don't have 4.5-inch as long screws as these, you can use pocket screws and put them in at an angle, but we don't have those to our ability today. So just do that. Repeat that for both sides. We did this off camera, but you're going to take your remaining 72-inch 2x4s. You're going to take six of them, and you're going to and these are going to be what the cushions and what you sit on. And so the front and back one, they're going to be flush. They're going to be flush with each side. So the front and back one are going to be flush with each side. Excuse me. And then you're going to have 4 in the middle. And they're all going to be spaced 1.5 inches on both sides, all the way. And then you're going to put screws on each end, and then put them all in the middle. And then you're going to take your last remaining 6-foot 2x4, and you're going to place it right here on the top. I'll show you what that'll look like. So that's where you will be placing it, just right there. And then just use your screws. And again, you can use the 4.5-inch screws, or longer 5-inch, 6-inch, whatever. Or you can do the pocket screws. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up, and we'll see ya with part 2.